Welcome back to the channel! My name is Super Kelly, and today on the Super Kelly Show, we are going to look at one incredible watch.
Hey, Dad. Super Kelly started your show without you.
Uh-oh.
What are you talking about? Well, okay, just a minute. I'll come by and see what's going on. Ugh. Oh yeah, that's weird. You're right. It did start. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Sorry about Super Cali hijacking things a little bit earlier. My name is Chris and I unbox and review budget watches, and I know I said that I wasn't going to be doing any more reviews until the new year, and that's true, but that doesn't mean that I'm not going to be showing you some watches. In fact, over the Christmas break I'm going to be doing some unboxing videos and just showing you the watches that are going to be highlighted next on the channel. And today's watch is a watch that I've seen on Instagram. I've seen it on my Facebook feed. It's a company that definitely puts themselves out there. And it's also a company that I haven't seen reviewed or highlighted on any of the watch channels that I watch. And so I'm really happy to be having this one in. It's from London, England. It has a dial on the watch, like a style of dial on the watch that I've wanted for quite some time. Dave over at Just the Watch highlighted a style of watch like this called the Boderi on his channel probably close to a year ago, and at any rate that may not give you much of a hint, but let's just turn the camera around and we're just going to do a quick unboxing now. I have a few more to do over the Christmas break, and again, these are watches that I'm going to be highlighting on the channel for future reviews. So let's check this one out. We'll get Super Cali to measure it, and then we'll be done. It's just an unbox and reveal, not a review. So check it out. Okay, and so here it is. This is a watch by Forge and Foster. And let me know in the comments below if you have seen advertisements for these guys. They do advertise heavily, and these kinds of watches that they make really caught my eye. They do a few different styles and varieties, but this one particularly caught my eye. It just has a simple cardboard outer sleeve, and then we'll just crack open this box and we'll see what we have. Alrighty, so, and it's packaged nicely. The watch is very well protected, and there it is. And as you can see, it is a display, well, it's not an open heart, it's an open dial that you can see the movement in it. It does give off, I would say, a bit of a Hublot vibe, perhaps, which is a watch company that everyone loves to hate. I'm not sure exactly why, but here it is. This is the Forge and Foster, and this is the Maven X Visage. That is what this one is called, and I'll leave a link in the description for this watch. You can currently get it for $235, and that's Canadian dollars, and so I think it represents pretty good value for dollar spent at that price point. And you can see, you can fully see through the dial. You can see my finger through there. It is fully transparent, which allows you to see the movement, and there's the automatic movement beating there. Pretty fantastic. Again, this is a style of watch that I've wanted to get for a while, and Dave at Just the Watch did highlight a watch called Boderi that was a watch like this, and then I started seeing these Forge and Fosters creep up on my Instagram and Facebook feeds, and that was something that caught my eye, and I definitely wanted to, have a look at one. And so let's measure it up with Super Cali, and Then I'll show it to you on wrist, and we'll talk about the movement and everything about this watch in a review coming up in the new year. So, Super Cali, what do you think of this one?
It's alright! It's alright! It's alright! She moves in mysterious ways!
Oh, welcome back, Super Cali. It's good to have you. All right, so let's do the measurements here. So we have a case diameter of 44. It's a rather big watch. We have a case thickness from case back to the front of just about 12 millimeters. We'll just call it 11.7. It does have this integrated rubber bracelet, and so there really is no lugs to change the bracelet, but we'll just measure it. It is fairly wide at the top there. You have a 28.4 millimeter band. Your lug tip to lug tip is going to be quite large as well, because you can see the center mid-link there protruding down quite a bit. And so let's just kind of tighten this up and give you an idea. Yeah, it's going to be a rather hefty lug to lug on this as well. You're looking at 60 plus. I mean, I'm measuring 61 there at the downturn, so this is quite a large watch. There's no question about it. It's not going to fit a lot of wrists. It just has a push-pull crown, and there's no hacking this movement, and so you don't have to pull the crown out to wind the movement. You just simply turn the crown in as it is in that position there, and you can pull it out, of course, to the first position to adjust the time. And so that's it. What are your first impressions of this watch, guys, by Forge and Foster? Again, I haven't seen any of these on any of the channels that I watch, and so I hope this is going to be a first for many of you. I think that the quality and the build quality so far, just from having it in hand for a couple of days and wearing it, is actually pretty good. And I do like the design and style of these open face watches that allow you to see the entire movement all the way through. And just one spec that was impressive: both glasses on the back side of the dial and the front side are sapphire crystal. So let me show it to you on my wrist. And what am I wearing today? Well, today, of course, I am wearing the watch that I just reviewed, the beautiful Van Banner Parking Master 2.0. My goodness, it is beautiful. You can check out my review of that watch. It is my latest watch video, and it will be a card at the end of this one that you can click on. So let me show you this one on the wrist, and then we will bid you farewell. And here it is on my, for your reference, 7.5 inch wrist, and you can easily see it has quite a large wrist presence for sure. But I'm actually really liking this one, and the rubber band is quite comfortable. Would be interested to know what you guys think. Leave a comment. Alright guys, so that's the unboxing of this Forge and Foster Maven X Visage. And again, I'll leave a link in the description below. I'm very curious to know if any one of the other watch channels has actually had one of these in, or perhaps you've had one but you didn't do a review on it. Leave a comment below. Merry Christmas, everybody. It is the Christmas season, and I hope that you and yours have a very Merry Christmas and enjoy the holiday. The next watch that I'm going to be unboxing and revealing, not reviewing, is a watch that I got on the Aliexpress sale. It is absolutely amazing. And then after that, I'm going to be showing you a watch that is going to be a part of my 750 subscriber giveaway, because I'm going to be giving away one of these watches. It's a watch that I absolutely love, produced and made in the United States, and I think you're going to love the watch, and it's going to be a pretty awesome giveaway. And so if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'm at about 665 subscribers now, and I will be doing a giveaway at 750, then again at 1,000, then again at 1,500, then again at 2,000, so on and so forth. And so thank you so much for supporting the channel. It really means a lot. And even more, thank you for taking the time to watch and comment and let me know what you think of the watch that I did today. And as always, remember, whenever you leave your house, you have to have a great looking piece to wear on your wrist, like this Forge & Foster Maven X Visage. And wherever you're going, make sure you get there on time. God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Check the video out that you see now of this van banner if you haven't saw the review of it yet. Check it out right now. I'll put the card up right now. It's going up right now.